Welcome back, guys. Going out of Newport again this morning. Going after bottom fish. Got Daniel with me, and George is coming again. And then my style baits right there. They're gonna follow us out and hopefully get them on some bottom fish today. So stay tuned, should be a pretty good day. It's cold though, it's like 32 degrees, but we're gonna go get them. All right guys, we just got started. He's using the kids pole again, got this big old brute. Daniel, hold that little thing up. That's 2 in the boat, that's like in the first 5 minutes. So we're gonna keep on fishing. My style baits is right over there following us around. So all right, let's get it done.
This time we didn't get a salmon first thing, bro.
No, here, take this one, George. Reeled up some. I gotta get the net for him, because that's a netter right there. Did it get off? Daniel!
Seriously?
Daniel! Good job, Daniel. Bring it. Don't pull it out of the water, George. Bring it right over here to the edge. There, pull it in, Daniel. Good job. Yeah, don't ever bring them above water. They'll start flopping.
Okay, good to know.
There you go, throw it. Good to go. Third one on the boat.
Sweet.
Good job, George. Oh, Daniel, let that thing scream. You got a big in there. Bring her in. Watch that.
All the weight's over here.
What you got, Daniel? Come on, get her in here. Drag us backwards so George can catch one too.
Good idea.
Hit. There he is.
Oh, you got 2.
He got a ling on the bottom. Yeah, buddy.
Yo.
You got a sea bass and a ling. All right, back her up. That's a nice sea bass too.
Wow, that was a.
I think that's probably a keeper ling too, the way it looks. Nice job there. No, don't.
It's on the bottom. I think got the wings in it. The other one.
Would you stop?
Might not be a keeper.
Yeah, I think it is. I'm gonna shut the camera off and go eat. What's going on here? George's snake. Daniel's got a good fish. On these, you just hold the bail there. There you go. Reeled in. Come on, Daniel, bring that one in. We need that one. Everybody on one side.
A little. Oh, bro.
Huh?
It's not even
What in the world? That's weird. Yeah, well, I got the other one set up if you want to grab another shrimp fly. Here he comes. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh! Yeah,
That's a keeper.
buddy! Keeper Lincoln!
That thing's big.
That's a good one there.
Not big enough to swallow.
Oh, hey, he came off too. Alright.
I think we have a limit in sea bass, at least one.
Yeah, we do. There you go. Yeah. Go get another one.
Wow, that's
That's
nice
a good one there.
Lovely. Where do I put this one, Earl?
That rod?
Yeah.
Up top. Alrighty guys, fish on. Probably not a very big one. Oh, heck. Oh, probably a keeper today. It's not a very big one, but might keep it anyway if it doesn't jump out of my hands right now. So far it hasn't, so guess we'll keep it. Okay, George got one. Let me. That's a ling. For sure don't bring it above.
It's fighting.
It might be a ling. Let me grab the net just in case.
Right here.
Two of
None of
them.
them are.
All right, hang on. Hey, don't bring your rod tip right here. Those are nice big ones too. Oh no! Where'd he go? Ah, he's gone.
Dude.
Oh well. Hey, you got one.
That's
Let me get it off of there for you. That was a big one.
Seriously.
Let me reel this up so it doesn't get the bottom. That's a good fish. I could have, but then they get all messed up in the net. I hate that.
They were both good ones.
There you go. Going back down. That's a good fish right there, man. Good fish.
Probably one of the bigger ones.
Yeah, it is.
See if we can get that other one.
He's kind of stunned a little bit.
Yeah, it just about didn't take off. Thought maybe I could grab him, but anyway, then he took off after all. That's number 8 on board.
Sweet, let's go.
Looks like George got a good one. Nope, he got a fish. That's a big old sea bass, man. Oh, I get it. He's hooked right in the bottom jaw. That is a monster. He does have your line, though. No.
That's huge. I made up another.
That's awesome.
That's the one that you had to. Hey, stop it. Daniel, why you got your line in here?
Daniel's like, huh, good question.
I think I got it. There you go, Daniel. Reel yours in.
You have nibbles down there.
I don't
Yeah,
know
there
if
was
you do.
some.
Oh, snap.
Is that bottom?
No. That's a good fish. Oh, it wasn't even that big. Son, he was all for taking that one and
That's
running.
10. Right? Yeah, that's 10 now.
Would you stop? There's no
Serious
need in
someday.
that at all.
Don't say.
Okay, we got 2 nice big ones in here.
I got a nice one.
Yeah, that's a huge one right there.
It is. I ought to get some delicious fillets.
That's the way I like to see them go.
Here, I'm gonna identify that one somehow and see if it is the biggest one.
Oh,
Somehow.
it is so far. It's easy, the biggest one.
Okay. 100%.
Ouch! Why aren't you fishing, George?
It's a good question.
That's what I thought. That thing is a monster.
I like
There you go. You trying to get my line again?
Whoa.
That is a monster.
Put your line over there. I had to tighten up my.
He's got 2.
Whoa.
Yeah, that one isn't worth keeping hardly.
One over here.
No!
The big one got away.
One over here quick.
I got a teeny one on here, I'm sure it is, but it's depressing. Let me take that one off and you can go back down.
Pitch it. It's not worth keeping.
I know.
The other one was worth keeping.
I got a little bitty one on my line right now too. Go away. With a little dink in. George got a fighter, he says.
Where is it at?
I'm gonna throw that one back. Coming at you. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a link. That's a link. Leave it in the water. Leave it in the water. Leave it in.
Yes!
Yeah, buddy.
Keep on.
It looks like it, but I don't know.
Get that hook out quick.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not even
Yeah, he's in there pretty good.
solid.
Nicely done. Watch your feet.
I know. He's right here.
Now I'm all tangled up in my own stuff. Let's measure that guy. Alright, let's see what we got here. Easily 23 and a half.
Yeah.
Another keeper ling.
No, I ripped it off track.
Here. You should both be catching more than I am. For the very reason that I'm bleeding and bonking all your fish. You know?
I would if I could stay standing.
I know. I ain't saying that you shouldn't. I don't. Well, boys, I just shut the camera off. Got this great big old deacon. This thing is huge for a deacon. They don't usually get that big. It's a good fish. Hot. Come here. Get this and bleed it and put in a bucket. So we got
Quite a few. At least 10. I think that's 11.
I think that's right. You got everything still.
Yeah, I know.
I need to bonk this thing. Boy, you can't grab a hold of these things. Mouths to save your life. Hold still. Alright, go in. George done hooked up again. Oh, that's a China.
They good or bad?
I'm not keeping it. Just turned the camera off and George got another bigger one. Oh, that's a killer. You want that one? Might as well. Go back down. Come here. Come here. Pretty little kelp greenling right there. You got one. Do you need the net? No. Get her in here. Okay.
I am.
That's another nice deacon. Alright. Okay guys, we got our limits and it is 10:20 in the morning and we didn't cross the bar till around 8 o'clock. So 2 hours,
20 minutes.
well, 20 minutes to get out here. So about 2 hours of fishing, we done got our fish. Sweet! So we're all done. And old Daniel still fishing over there and got a great big old lingcod. He said. And it actually is fighting like a big one, unless that's the bottom. Well, get it in here, Dad. I'm just messing with you.
Come on.
Take your time, actually. One that big, we don't need to lose it.
Come on.
It came off? Daniel!
Ah!
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah.
Daniel! You're not supposed to let big fish go! Fine, we're done.
Oh, yeah, I'm not done.
Man!
Oh, that thing would have seemed big.
One more.
Oh.
One more.
One more go.
Daniel keeps catching these big lingcod and then they get off. He's good at that. Why don't you see if your hook's sharp, Daniel? Or even if you got a hook on there. You should maybe see if there's a hook on there. Where did you guys put your crab pots? Tell everybody how you really feel, Brenda.
I feel great. It's a beautiful day.
It is.
Girls caught some beautiful fish. Look at the size of this
That thing is
That's
huge.
They did great. Giant blue. Where's that blue?
Right there, right here. Middle one.
This one.
Yeah.
This is a huge blue. Look at the size of
That
that.
thing is huge.
Huge.
That's a small, I mean,
Blues are
that
usually,
blue is a small species.
Yeah, it's like that's a big one. This is a giant.
That one looks
Oh, and a sea trout too.
Yeah, we got a sea trout.
Nice.